your girl Imani here, back for another video. So you guys, we are back here today trying another twist out. You guys know I am trying to perfect my twist out game and I just can't get enough. So we're doing this again. You know, I think you want to see it because you clicked onto this video. I don't know. So today I'm doing my twist out a little differently. Just a little differently. I am doing the twist and curl. At least that's what it's called in the YouTube universe. Pretty much I'm just twisting my hair and then I'm going to throw a perm rod on it. Now that I kind of know how to use a perm rod, if you haven't seen that video, make sure y'all check that out. I've seen a lot of girls do it and I'm like, yo, her twist out is bomb. Maybe I should try it. I'm gonna go ahead and use the pink and gray perm rods that I have here because I like them better than the other ones that I have. These are nice and small and I don't know, I just like them better. I'm also using the Dew products for my hair again. If you guys haven't seen the video where I use the Dew Mousse Def on my wash and go, make sure y'all check that out as well. So today I'm using their entire line. Well, no, I'm not actually using their entire line. I'm only using like 3 of their products today. But I just came out the shower and I did my co-wash with their One Love co-wash. It says detangle, cleanse, condition in 1 step, wash day in a jar. On the back it says what it do. It detangles, cleanses, conditions in 1 step, calms frizz, eliminates wash day tangling, rinses out soft and shiny with no waxy buildup. And when I tell you guys that that's what it did, that's exactly what it did. I was actually really surprised by this product. If like it was actually more on the cleansing side than the conditioning side. And I don't know if I definitely liked it. I definitely liked it. I don't know how much I liked it, but I definitely liked it. It also smelled like bubblegum. It smelled like somebody was just like in my ear. You know that smell, that bubblegum smell? That's what it smelled like. So I'm now gonna go ahead and separate my hair into 6 sections, and then I'm gonna follow up with the Dew We Want Easy Texture Tamer, which is a leave-in conditioner and smoothing lotion. It says it's anti-frizz, protects from heat tools, hydrates, and on the back it says that it hydrates, detangles curls, tames frizz, protects from heat, smooths blowouts for body and shine. And really, I just need a good leave-in that'll give me some good flip. Alright, so now that section is detangled, I'm gonna go ahead and split each section into 4 mini sections. I'm going to twist it using the Dew Mousse Def. Like I said, I'm just going to 2-strand twist going all the way down until I get to the end, and I'm gonna go ahead with a perm rod and wrap it up into a curl at the end. So keep on watching. You guys, I am all finished. Like I said, pretty much all I did was I twisted my hair after detangling it again. I used some of the Dew Mousse Def foam, about like 2 pumps worth, and then I 2-strand twisted my hair until it was like, I don't know, like maybe 3/4 of the way down. I smoothed out the ends of my hair and then I wrapped the perm rods around the end. You guys have seen it plenty of times. This is just my first time doing it. So I got 24 in my hair. I usually do about this much now because it just gives me a lot more definition. And you guys know what I'm about to do. I'm about to go sit under my hooded dryer, probably for like 30 minutes or so, and then I'm going to bed, and then I am going to take these out in the morning. Some of you guys may be asking why I sit under the dryer like right before I go to bed, if it's just gonna dry overnight. And I do it because my hair is not going to dry overnight. Like I don't care how long I sleep tonight, my hair is still gonna be wet when I take these out. So I do need to sit under the dryer for a little bit to get it to dry up, just a bit, and then I'm going to go to sleep to give it a little extra dry time. So in case you guys were wondering, I figured like somebody must have been asking like, why does she do all that? That's why my hair don't dry. All right, I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. So it's the moment of truth. It's the next day. As you guys see, I slept in my bonnet. I did stay under the dryer for about 45 minutes last night before I went to bed. So if these joints aren't dry, I don't know. Let's go ahead with the takedown process. I'm gonna first unravel these and then work on the twist. So already I'm realizing that I did not do a good job when it came to the purple perm rods, because I don't have much of a curl, at least not like the gray ones gave me a curl, you know, like clearly I need to use the smaller perm rods when I do my 2-strand twist. Also, it's a lot more frizzy on the purple rods, I think, just because since they are, you know, so much bigger than, not like so much bigger, but you know, like clearly a lot bigger than the gray ones. Maybe like a lot of it didn't smooth down, like a lot of my hair didn't smooth down on the perm rod. So all right, lesson number 1 for my twist outs, my 2-strand twist, I gotta use the smallest perm rods. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Miche Polish hair and scalp oil to just put on my fingertips and to start separating and fluffing. Alright, you guys, this is the final product. I don't know how I'm feeling about this. I want to get the bobby pins and do that thing that I did with the perm rod set, but I'm scared that I'm gonna look like that 3rd grade picture again, and I just can't. I know y'all said that y'all liked it, but I'm harder on my hair than y'all are on my hair. I don't know, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this because I do like the little like hang time in the front a bit. But yeah, this is it. It's a little frizzy at the ends. You know, I think I need to just do a lot better at the smoothing technique on these perm rods with the 2-strand twist. But other than that, I mean, I'm feeling it. I am feeling it. I think I'll try this same technique using some other products and see how I like it even better. So what do you guys think? Am I killing the twist out? What's going on? What's going on? All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification button so you can be notified every time I make a new video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below, what is the next product or style that I should try? Y'all know your girl is really like trying out here with these hairstyles, with these twist styles, with these products. So comment down below, share this video, and I will see you guys for the next one. Bye.